Okay, example 2 for cosine law is this one about the Lions Gate Bridge. The Lions Gate Bridge has been a Vancouver landmark since it opened in 1938. It's the longest suspension bridge in Western Canada, and it's strengthened by triangular braces. Suppose one brace has side lengths 14 meters, 19 meters, and 12.2 meters. Okay, so it's going to have a 14-meter side. It's going to have a longer 19-meter side, and then it's going to have a shorter 12.2. Not the best scale diagram. That 12.2 is a little too short, but you'll get an idea, right? Determine the measure of the angle opposite the 14-meter side. So we're looking at this one right here, okay? And to the nearest degree. So if you wanted to use, in the book, they actually use c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos c. Okay, and so what they do is they just take this as angle C, okay? And, you know, I mean, you can use this if you have two sides and the angle between them, or you can use it if you have all three sides, okay? And remember, you never have to worry about anything ambiguous using the cosine law, okay? So they just take that and they just substitute everything in, so that C squared is 14 squared plus equals 19 squared plus 12.2 squared minus 2 times 19 times 12.2 times cos C. Okay? And so when they get everything in there, they end up just having, doing all their numbers and just solving for cos C at the end, which is okay. All right? They end up with cos C equals, well, they don't even tell you what it is. 313.84 over 463.6. Put that in and they find out that angle C is 47.4 degrees. Okay. They said to the nearest degree, so we're going to say the angle is approximately 47 degrees. Another thing, though, you could have done is you could have used our rearranged formula. Right, so remember we had c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos c. Okay, and we took, we had taken that formula, subtracted a squared and b squared from both sides, and then we had divided both sides by negative 2ab. Okay, and so we just ended up changing these so that the positive things became negative, negative things became positive, and in return we got to get rid of that negative in the denominator, and that was cos C. So you actually have this in the key points or the summary part at the end of the section. You have that rearranged formula, and so you can definitely use that as well. Okay.